Hello, this is Tony Gaddis. I'm the author of your textbook, Starting Out with Python. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to a program known as IDLE. IDLE is an integrated development environment, which means that it is an application that combines several tools for creating and executing and testing programs. Now, there are numerous integrated development environments for Python that are out there. But IDLE comes with Python when you install it on your system. So when you install Python on your system, you get IDLE for free. It's possible that your instructor will prefer that you use some other integrated environment. That's perfectly okay. IDLE is not the most powerful integrated development environment, but it is useful for quickly executing code in the interactive mode interpreter. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, on this system, I'm running Windows. So to launch IDLE, I'll go to the Windows Start button, and I'll go to All Programs, and I'll locate the Python program group. Here you can see that I have Python 3.1 installed on this system, so I'll open that program group, and then here is a shortcut for IDLE. So I'll just click that, and that launches IDLE here in this window. You can see the window says Python Shell, and in this window we actually have the Python interpreter running in interactive mode. So if you've been reading along in Chapter 1, you've seen examples of the print statement, the statement in Python that prints a string of characters on the screen. So if I want to, I can go ahead and just type in something like a print statement and execute it right here in the IDLE window. So let me try that. So this statement is going to execute a call to the print function, and it's going to display the message "Hello World" on the screen. So I'll just press the Enter key, and there is the output of the statement. Let's try something else. And I press the Enter key, and we get the message "Python programming is fun." So this is an environment that you will find yourself using quite often as you learn Python. You'll use this interactive mode interpreter to test various pieces of code to see if they actually do what you think they will do. Now, in addition to providing access to the interactive mode interpreter, you can also use IDLE to actually write Python programs that are saved on your system. Now, and I'll just mention that Appendix B in your textbook gives much more information on this process of using IDLE to write a program and save it and execute it. But I'll just give you a little preview of it here. If you want to actually create a Python program, we can go to the File menu, and we can select New Window, and that opens a text editing window. So let me just create a simple program. We're first going to print the message, "This is my first program," and then I'll just print something like "Hello World." So this is a very simple Python program that only has 2 statements. I'm going to save this. I'm going to just save it on my desktop. I'll name it hello.py. And if I want to run this program, I can go to the Run menu, and I can click Run Module. And you'll notice at this point we've switched back over to the Python Shell window, and you can see the output of the program displayed in this window. So that was just a sort of a quick introduction to the IDLE program. You'll be using this or some other integrated development environment as you go through the book learning the Python language.